Good morning, Spectrum High School students. It is Monday, November 23rd, 2021. A couple of announcements here to get us started. I am sure that most of you know this and you are excited about it. We have a shortened school week this week. We have school today, school tomorrow, and then you guys are off, students, on Wednesday. Staff has a staff development day, and of course, we welcome Thanksgiving on Thursday and into the weekend. Couple of things that I wanted to mention this morning as far as announcements. Spectrum has been informed by the Minnesota Department of Health and Education that ACT and PSAT testing will not be permitted in school facilities during the month of December. So as a result, Spectrum has had to cancel the PSAT on Monday, December 7th, 2020, as was previously scheduled. Please stay tuned in that regard. There may be an opportunity to make up that session down the road. So please stay tuned in relation to that. I also wanted to clear up a question that came up last week related to students with perks and sting time. Students with perks, you are indeed required to check into our Monday advisory sessions that typically occur. Obviously, we're not doing one today, but next Monday we will be. And you are still required to check into those. So we appreciate your cooperation with that. Throughout the week, Tuesday through Friday, we traditionally run our Sting Time RTI sessions, as you know. Students with perks, you are not required to check into those sessions. However, I will mention that you are still available for selection by teachers for those RTI sessions. If you are indeed selected, you should be receiving an email from a teacher indicating as such, and you are then required to check into that specific session. We thank you again for your cooperation related to that. A couple other things I wanted to mention and encourage continued social interaction. Students, it is a unique time, and we want obviously you to maintain your friendships and your connections with your peers. It's extremely important for your mental and your social health as we move forward. I wanted to mention that our counseling staff is currently working on building a resource that will assist students in maintaining connections with both peers and teachers outside of the virtual classroom. And I would ask that you please stay tuned for more information on that will hopefully be coming to you soon. The last couple of things here, one would be birthdays. So let's talk about that really quick. So November 23rd, which is today, we have birthdays for Alexis Lemke, Gavin Gould, and Jack Johnston. Happy birthday to you folks today. November 25th, Evan Whiting and Ben Pooley. We have the 26th is Dylan Smith. The 27th is Nolan Miller. The 28th is Zoe Holt. And finally, the 29th is Lydia Bernard and Hannah Sanders. Happy birthday to you folks. And of course, last but not least, we wish you and your families a happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe and well and enjoy the time off.